Good afternoon, LC people. Yeah, Dave's first day back at the workshop. I'll get on to that in a minute. That's got to go back to a village tomorrow, locally. Then I'm going to go Grantham and take that CBR back. Tomorrow's going to be a washout for me. The first thing I did this morning was I had new carb kits to go in the carbs that I got for this bike from a good friend of mine down in Lincolnshire. He knows who he is, bless you. So I put the new carb kits on him, put them on, set them up. I did take it out and it pulls the same as it did with my mate Ian's carbs on it. So that's Dave done with the Daytona, John's bike, Isle of Wight bike, the All bike, the other down south hybrid. I've had these bits done by my good friend David Morris. These little bits, excuse me fanning about, so that's got to be welded on there. Bit of a plate at the front so it don't protrude through to touch the radiator. So I've got to take them to the alley welders at some point this week. Pram kit for the other down south LC upstairs. Yeah, I'll get back onto the Yamtez at some point. So now it's filling up. A guy yesterday, bless him, he's brought his today. There's not going to be many more bikes Dave can take in. I think there's another 2 more. But these 2 will be going tomorrow. So that'll be it then until the new year. I won't be taking on any more bikes because, yeah, LC and Bits upstairs 1. I've been on that one today. I'm getting somewhere with it. The bar ends, I wanted to put them on. Here's the conundrum. They're hard stainless steel and the bolts are M6. The end of these bars unfortunately are M8. So the best, simplest solution is to helical them back down to M6. Rather than try and drill out super hard stainless ones, then ream the top out with another drill to put M8 Allen key bolts. That'll take longer. So yeah, that's sort of the F2. I've been chasing threads out, it takes longer than you think. You can't really use a drill, well you can, but if it fucking locks up and you snap the bit in it, you're knackered. So I always go old school. Yeah, you could set the clutch on an easier level on the battery drill, but anyway, that bit's sort of done. That when I get to it, so what we had, 1 upstairs, 2, 3, done. 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's another 2 coming. Yeah, 9 bikes. So that's me done, really, until March time, I would have thought. There's a lot of work on some of them. On some, not quite so much, but they come with a to-do list, then you find out there's more, don't you? But that's Dave's day. It's sort of road trip day tomorrow. All over the bloody place. Whether they get to the paint workers with the stuff down there, I do not know. But I just want to get these 2 out of the way tomorrow. That's sort of my main thing. I then get back onto this. There's still stuff I've got to do. I want to try and assemble the bits. Still waiting for a barrel from PJME. But all this wants work and painting. They're just nasty. So I can't shovel them on. It didn't have the splitter. So it come with like obviously 2 hoses from the top master cylinder. But that hole's got to get stripped and painted up before I can put that on. Like say the bar ends to sort out. There's stuff to do. But there you go. I'll keep you posted, but yeah, tomorrow's road trip day. And that's all I can tell you. Thanks for watching Dilly Dilly.